Standard 9th, Subject Maths Part 2, Chapter 8, Trigonometry. Remember these formulas. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Trigonometric ratios of particular ratios. Measures of angles ratios 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 upon 2, sin 45 degree 1 upon root 2, sin 60 degree root 3 upon 2, sin 90 degree 1, cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 upon 2, cos 45 degree 1 upon root 2, cos 60 degree 1 upon 2, cos 90 degree 0, tan 0 degree 0, tan 30 degree 1 upon root 3, tan 45 degree 1, tan 60 degree root 3, tan 90 degree undefined, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. हे सर्व फॉर्म्युले वापरून आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिस सेट 8.2 सॉल्व करायचा आहे. आणि हा टेबल लक्षात ठेवायला तुम्ही असं लक्षात ठेवू शकता 0 0 1 1 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 1 upon root 2 1 upon root 2. आणि टॅनचं आपण साइन अपॉन कॉस केल्यानंतर 0 upon 1 0 1 upon 2 डिवायडेड बाय रूट 3 upon 2 1 upon root 3 येतात. 1 upon root 2 डिवायडेड बाय 1 upon root 2 1 येतात. आणि रूट 3 upon 2 डिवायडेड बाय 1 upon 2 रूट 3 येतात. आणि 1 upon 0 वी कॅन डिवाइड देअरफॉर अनडिफाइंड. असा तुम्ही टेबल लक्षात ठेवू शकता. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट प्रॅक्टिस सेट 8.2. First sum. In the following table, a ratio is given in each column. Find the remaining two ratios in the column and complete the table. Here table is given. Sin theta dash dash, cos theta 35 upon 37 and tan theta dash dash. म्हणजेच इथं आपल्याला कॉस थिटा 35 अपॉन 37 दिलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला कॉस थिटावरून साइन थिटा आणि टॅन थिटा फाइंड आउट करायचे. कॉस थिटा इज इक्वल टू 35 अपॉन 37. फाइंड साइन थिटा अँड टॅन थिटा. हियर यूज फॉर्म्युला साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा is equal to 1. Now put the values. Sin square theta plus cos theta is equal to 35 upon 37. 35 upon 37. Here square, therefore x square is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1, and this plus 35 upon 37 square goes to that side, becomes minus 35 upon 37. 35 upon 37 square is equal to, write this in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. 1 plus 35 upon 37 in second bracket 1 minus 35 upon 37 is equal to 37 plus 35 upon 37 into 37 minus 35 upon 37 is equal to this 37 plus 35 72 upon 37 72 upon 37 into 37 minus 35 2 upon 37 37 into 37 and 72 into 2 72 we can write it as 36 into 2 36 into 2 means 72 into 2 here sine square theta is equal to 36 into 2 into 2 upon 37 into 37 taking square root of both sides sine theta is equal to 6 into 2 upon 37 taking square root of both sides sine theta is equal to 6 into 2 12 upon 37. Now we have to find tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta 12 upon 37 divided by cos theta 35 upon 37 is equal to 12 upon 37 into 37 upon 35 37 cancel 12 upon 35 tan theta is equal to 12 upon 35. Second sum, if sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61 then find cos theta and tan theta. Use formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Put value sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61 is given. Therefore write here 11 upon 61. Here square. Therefore here take square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 11 upon 61 square. Write this as in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore here 1 plus 11 upon 61 and in second bracket 1 minus 11 upon 61. 61 plus 11 upon 61. 61 minus 11 upon 61. 61 plus 11 72 upon 61 into 61 minus 11 50 upon 61. Here 72 into 50 upon 61 into 61 cos square theta is equal to 72, write as 36 into 2, write 50 as 25 into 2 upon 61 into 61. Then taking square root of both sides, cos theta is equal to 6, square root of 36 is 6, 2 into 2 2, and square root of 25 is 5, 61 into 61, square root 61, and cos theta is equal to 6 into 5 into 2, 60 upon 61. Cos theta is equal to 60 upon 61. Now find out tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta is equal to sin theta sin theta 11 upon 61 and cos theta 60 upon 61. 11 upon 61 into 61 upon 60, 61 cancel. Tan theta is equal to 11 upon 60. Third sum from table. If tan theta is equal to 1, then find sin theta and cos theta. Here tan theta is given, therefore tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Do cross multiplication. 1 into cos theta is equal to sin theta. Now use formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus, here cos theta is equal to sin theta. Therefore, instead of cos square theta, write here sin square theta. Sin square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1, and here 2 goes to that side, becomes divide 2. Sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Taking square root of both sides, taking square root of both sides, sin theta is equal to 1 upon root 2, and here cos theta is equal to sin theta, therefore cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. Question number 2. Find the values of first sum pi sin 30 degree plus 3 tan 45 degree. Here use this table. Pi into sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore here write 1 upon 2 plus 3 into tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Therefore write here 1 is equal to pi into 1 pi upon 2 plus 3 into 1 3 pi upon 2 plus 6 upon 2. Make the denominator same. Here pi plus 6 upon 2, 11 upon 2. Second sum 4 upon pi tan square 60 degree plus 3 sin square 60 degree 4 upon pi into tan square 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 Right here root 3 and here square. Therefore here take square plus 3 into sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. Right here root 3 upon 2. Here square. Therefore here square 4 upon 5 into root 3 square 3 plus 3 into root 3 square 3 upon 2 square 4. 4 3s are 12 upon 5 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 4. Now here do the denominator same. 5 4s are 20. Therefore 12 4s are 48 plus 4 5s are 20. 9 5s are 45. 48 plus 45 upon 20. 48 plus 45 93 upon 20. Third sum you solve at home. Now fourth sum, tan 60 upon sin 60 plus cos 60 is equal to tan 60 is equal to root 3 upon sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to root 3 upon 2 and 2. Denominator same, 2 root 3 plus 1 is equal to root 3 into 2 upon 1 plus root 3. Write it as root 3 plus 1 also. Root 3 plus 1 and here 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. Now fifth sum you solve at home. Sixth sum is cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2 into cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2 plus sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2 into sin 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Here do multiplication. 1 into root 3 upon 2 into 2 4 plus root 3 into 1 root 3 upon 2 into 2 4. Here denominator same, 4 root 3 plus root 3 2 root 3. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore here root 3 upon 2. Question number 3. If sin theta is equal to 4 upon 5, then find cos theta. Use formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here sin theta is equal to 4 upon 5. Here square, therefore write here square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 4 upon 5 square. Here use formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in second bracket a minus b. 1 plus 4 upon 5, 1 minus 4 upon 5. 5 plus 4 upon 5, 5 minus 4 upon 5. 5 plus 4 9 upon 5 into 5 minus 4 1 upon 5. Cos square theta is equal to 9 upon 5 into 5. Now take square root of both sides. Cos theta is equal to Square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 5 into 5 is 5. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Our 8th chapter completed and syllabus also completed. Afterwards, we will take revision.